Morning guys, got this idea from my boy over at Dirty Maintenance Nation, Lex Vance. He does a lot of these day in the life of the maintenance guy or work order videos, so decided to give it a shot. Today is Monday. The outside temp is 22 degrees here in Colorado, and we've got some no heat calls coming in, so let's go check it out. Call for heat. Pump, it's water sourced. Our water coming out right now is freezing, and our water coming in, oh yeah. I'm gonna get that probe on this line. This is the water coming in now. We need warm water to make the heat pump work, and we got 55 degrees. That's not gonna work, sir. Let's go to the roof and see what's going on. Going up to the boiler room. Reset. Just reset all the boilers. Watch the flames.
It's on and running.
There. So 2 of the 4 boilers are on. The other one's not so much. Don't know what the issue is. Might be that ignition right there, but we'll come back and check that later. We've got 2 running. We need to get on some work orders. Let's go. Still fall here in Colorado. Straighten out the pool furniture. You properties that don't have a pool and hot tub, you got it made. And all this stupid pool furniture. Just got done pulling keys. Now I'm grabbing my maintenance cart. Don't judge me. This is not a property I work at every day. But if you've got a clean maintenance cart, you're probably not busy enough. It's 9:45 a.m. Got about 6 hours worth of good work orders to get in. Let's get it. I work at a dual site property today, 2 different buildings. So I gotta cross the street, gonna start in one building, go to the next, and then go to the big building. Let's see what's going on. So those all gunked up. Some of these you can clean on the top. I don't think you can on this one though. So grab a fill valve. Shut the water off. So this is an easy one. The top spinner just broke off. We just got to find a replacement part.
Oh, there's a nut.
All right, we got our new part. Let's go throw this bad boy on. That just snaps on. And then, so we can see here, until it spins 360. And it's just the nuts loose. Alright, let's check it now. handle's sticking a little bit. So we're gonna grease that up. Get that grease in. That silicone spray. Alright. Now for the bathtub not draining, hold one end, twist the other. Let's see what we got. Definitely some hair in there. This one's a little clogged. Lots of hair in there. We're gonna have to take this pop-up out. Got to go under the sink to release it. Put the pop-up plug back in. You've messed with these before? A little bit, not a lot. That's the good stuff right there. It's like 90% of our maintenance calls. Not 90, a lot though. All right, another one done. Let's see, this is partially tripped.
The refrigerator moving.
All the way back. It's got a new saying that the fill valve is sticking. Put it up with some silicone spray. Saying he has to manually push it down. But I'll drain all the water. Just kind of work it in. Yeah, you can hear it running continuously. Yep, toilet's running. Not the fill valve, just the flapper. Let's replace this flapper real quick. So while we were replacing the flapper, the tower broke. Here's a little trick. Get that nice and dry. Got our hot stuff glue. Get that all the way around. Don't get the flapper though. It's gonna sit in there. What'd I do? I got the flapper, didn't I? Let's pull this off. Push down, accelerate it. Install our flapper. And then our hose, we just replaced the fill valve. I'm gonna cut this. And the glue is instant. We can turn the water back on. Go ahead, turn it on. It's not leaking anymore here. Look at the bottom of the tower. You can see when we move the tower, there's no water going through now. That's a permanent fix. Another day in the office. Yeah. Sometimes if you twist it, works a little better. This is the clog of the week. Yeah. Got a gurgling. On to the next one. So it's 3:30 p.m. We're at 20 work orders completed, 5.5 hours, but now we need to rob Peter to pay Paul. We need some cartridges that we can't seem to find. Let's go ahead and shut the water off to this unit and grab them. I'm gonna turn the water on. All right, sounds like the water's fully off. That's a good thing. Here's the valve in question that I cannot find anywhere. And if any of you guys out there know where I can purchase this valve, I will instantly send you 10 Shiba Inu. Just let me know where you get these from. Drop your wallet address and I'll send you some shib. This one's a hot one, but we need both of them. This is what I need. 100 Shiba Inu to anyone that can tell me where I can get this. Also have no idea where to get these seals. All right, we got some CLR here. I'm gonna try and clean these stems up, let it soak overnight, and throw it in the morning and see if it works. But if you guys like these types of videos, I'll keep doing them. I'll do one every day at work. Actually, this gets 1,000 views in 2 weeks. I'll keep doing them. If not, it's not really worth my time. Unless you guys really, really like them. Leave me a comment. But until the next vlog, I am the Apartment Maintenance Pro. Peace.